Imagine making anywhere from $200 to $600 on a daily basis from the comfort of your home by just doing a simple work that's only going to take you 30 minutes. Would you be interested? Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make money online anywhere from $200 to $600 every single day from the comfort of your home by doing a simple work that will only take you 30 minutes a day. And I am sure that you're going to be interested, you're going to love this, and you can do this over and over and over again by making simple online tasks and completing simple tasks and start making real money from the comfort of your home. Now, before I dive into this video, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash the subscribe button. The subscribe button is going to be below this video. Smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. Don't forget to like this video and share this video with the people you care, because they will get a lot of value. And leave a comment if you're interested in a certain topic so I could cover that topic for you in my next upcoming videos. Also, if you want to learn how I made $115,000 in commissions using one program, one system, then you could see the screenshot right on the screen there. You could click the link in my description box below this video, or you could go to this website address that you're seeing on the screen and you could check out this system that's taking the internet by storm and helping people make money online. This one program has generated me over $115,000 in commissions from the comfort of my home. All the links are going to be in my description box below this video. Also, if you want to learn how to make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing, you're interested in Clickbank and you're interested in promoting other people's products to earn commissions with Clickbank, the link is going to be in my description box below this video. I have a complete course all about Clickbank, teaching how to make money with Clickbank. Okay, now let's dive into this video, how to make $200 to $600 on a daily basis from the comfort of your home. Now remember, there are plenty of ways to make money online. Some of them are legit, most of them are just waste of time. You're just going to be wasting time, wasting energy, wasting money on different resources, different products, and you're not going to get to anywhere. But there are some ways that you can make money, and you can make a lot of money doing simple work and simple tasks. And I'm not talking about creating a product, creating a course, launching a product. This is something that anyone can do who knows how to use a simple laptop and has a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, what I'm trying to say is there are certain websites that if you just complete simple tasks, they're gonna pay you some very good amount of money for doing. And in this video, I'm gonna share two top websites that will pay you anywhere from $50 to $200 for a simple task that could take only 30 minutes a day. Okay, so let's get into this. All right, so the first website is called Listverse. Okay, this website pays anywhere from $50 to $100 for a successful accepted article on the website, and you can write an article all about science, and you could also write an article all about history. Okay, this is a website where you can go and you can start writing articles, submit your articles, and for accepted good articles, they're going to pay you anywhere from $50 to $100 for doing simple work. Now you might be asking, wait a moment, this sounds very, very good. Okay, I can do this, but can you give me some hint on how can I write an article? How can I get this article out there and start making some good amount of money? So there are plenty of ways to do this. First of all, obviously, you could do it yourself. You could write an article yourself. But if you're thinking it's going to take me a lot of time, if I want to write like 500 word article or 1000 word article or 2000 word article, it could take a lot of time. What about if I can show you a way where you can get this article done within minutes and start submitting your article? But the problem could be is that these websites are very professional. They have a bot in the background that could read your article and tell that where this article is coming from. Is it unique content, and is it created manually, and or you have used a bot to create? So you have to be very careful. But so in my opinion, it would be great if you can write an article manually, but if you can't, then you can get some ideas by doing some simple things. The first thing you can do is you could go to another website. Okay, the website is Fiverr. You could go to this website here and you could hire someone to write an article for you. They will do this for a very simple small fee. All right, that's the first thing you can do. Second thing, what you can do is you could go to Chat GPT, which is free, and just type in a question, something like please write me a 1,000-word article on history. Okay, and ChatGPT will come out with a very beautiful article for you. Let me show you how this works. So I'm going to come here to ChatGPT and I'm going to just type in something like, please write me an article all about history. Okay, wait a moment, let me just correct all this. I'm not good at talking. Please write me an article all about history, 1,000 words, and you will go out there and do the job. Okay, so there you go. So it's going to write me a whole article. Okay, and what you can do is you can make a couple of changes if you want to, or you can just copy and paste this. Okay, but like I said, these websites has bots in the background, so they can read it and they can tell if it's manually created or you have used ChatGPT to do this. Okay, so you can see here ChatGPT just went out there and wrote me a very big article, and I guess it's 1,000 words. Okay, I could just copy and paste this article. All right, or you can go to a website called Spinbot. What Spinbot does is you have an article, you just paste that article into the Spinbot software, and you just click on spin, and it will spin the whole article and make you an accurate, very unique article for you. Okay, so you could go to Spinbot and do that. So that's the first website. All right, it's the website where you can do history articles, you could do technology articles on this website, and for every accepted submitted articles, okay, you can make anywhere from $50 to $100. All right, and it's only going to take you 30 minutes. Imagine that. Now what about if you can do 5 articles a day, 10 articles a day? Just imagine the amount of money you can make from the comfort of your home. All right, so let's go to the second website. Now before I get into the second website, once again, if you want to learn how I made over $115,000 using this one program, one system, links in the description box below this video, or head over to this link here that you're seeing right on the screen right now. Okay, and you will be able to see the system in action that's taking the internet by storm. Okay, and also I have some other links in my description box. Make sure you check them out because it's going to be helpful for you. It's there to help you build your real business, build the internet business, and take your business to the next level. Okay, so make sure you check out all the links in the description box. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that, because I'm coming up with some new ideas, new ways to help you make money online. Okay, so I'm going to come up with some different type of make money online videos and tutorials and trainings that could help you, so you are more flexible in choosing which method you want to go for. Obviously there are thousands of ways to make money online, and probably you might not be interested in most of them. You might be just interested in doing something that's very simple, very easy, and you could start printing paycheck after paycheck. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. So let's get into the next video that will pay you for submitting and accepted simple articles, and that will pay you up to $200, my friend. That's right, $200 for accepted articles. And that website is called Whoa Woman Writing. That is Whoa Woman Writing. You come here and you can write articles. So what I recommend you do is, when you come to a website just like this, you want to look around, okay? So you want to click on articles, you want to click on contests, you want to click on resources, blog, classes, and get some ideas what people are doing, what kind of articles people are writing, etc. And then what you can do is you can come here and you can submit an article as well. And guess what? For every accepted article, they pay anywhere from $50 to $200. That's right, $200. Now, if you can do about 2-3 articles on a daily basis, you're chilling. You're making a lot of money from the comfort of your home. You are ready. And if you have a sustainable income coming every single month from websites like this, guess what? You can quit your 9 to 5 job and you can do this full time and start making money. All right. So you can learn a lot of stuff from these websites and come here, play around with it, check other people's articles, see what they have writing, what topics they are writing on, and get some ideas and start putting some articles out there and start getting paid. All right, and start making some real easy money from the comfort of your home. I'm giving you 2 top websites. I'm going to come up with some more websites that will help you get paid from simple accepted submitted articles. Very, very simple, very, very easy. All right, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And I'm also going to share some very, very good tips on affiliate marketing. That means promoting other people's products and earning commissions up to 100%. I'm not talking about 10%, 5%. I'm talking about 100%. How you can earn 100% commission from other people's products by promoting them. All right. And you don't have to create a product. You don't have to create your course. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to launch a product. You're using other people's product. You're just promoting them. And guess what? They're paying you 100% commission like it's your own product. Now, if you want to stay tuned, you want to learn all this, make sure you stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you know whenever I come up with brand new training videos, okay? And all the links are going to be in the description box below this video, so make sure you check it out. Thanks for watching my video. Hopefully I will see you in the next video.